please rise for the pledge to the flag?
Good morning, Cedar Crest. It is Wednesday, November 7th. I'm Hannah Shirey.
And I'm Nevaeh Whitman.
Coming up, we learn why we have an early dismissal tomorrow. We'll be right back with all this and all your school news. In class news, students who participate in the Pennsylvania Math League contest. Contest number 2 will be held in the cafeteria during period 2 on Tuesday, November 13th. Bring a pencil and a calculator and let your second period teacher know in advance that you will not be in class that day. Seniors interested in applying to Millersville University can find out if they are accepted in 10 minutes during Instant Decision Day on November 30th. Meet with the rep one-on-one for 10 minutes and you will find out whether you have gained admission to Millersville University. There is no application fee. Sign up at the College and Career Desk in the library by November 20th.
In club news, it is activity period week 1 today. Pep Club will not be meeting today during activity period. There will be a mini-thon leadership meeting today during activity period in Mrs. Stepbeck's room 303. Please try to attend. If you're 16 years old and signed up to donate blood at the next week's blood drive, please see your homeroom teacher for your parent permission form. All forms should be completed in ink and returned to room 809 by Tuesday. If you have any questions, see Mrs. Sullivan. FBLA members, the deadline to register for regional competition is today. Be sure to get your permission slip and money turned in to Mrs. Sullivan in room 809. Debate Club will meet in the cafeteria during activity period today. Drama Club, the field trip to see She Kills Monsters at Penn State Harrisburg has been approved. See Mrs. Haynes in room 608 for a permission slip and information. The trip is limited to the first 28 members that sign up.
In school news, Widener University and Empire Beauty School are visiting Cedar Crest on November 13th. Sign up today at the College and Career Center desk in the library if you are interested. Please note that the Empire Beauty School visit is for seniors only.
The Lebanon County CTC is holding its annual community open house tomorrow, November 8th from 6 to 8 p.m. Everyone is welcome to attend alone or with a parent or guardian. Tour the CTC, participate in student demonstrations, and meet teachers. No registration is necessary.
Tomorrow is an early dismissal for us, but over 1,000 students from other schools will be coming to our school for the PA Student Council State Conference. The Student Council asks that all students please be respectful and do not touch the decorations in the hallways.
A lot of students have been wondering what this conference exactly is and why we are getting out of school early for it.
I sat down with Conference President Kaya Hepler to get some of your questions answered.
I'm Kyle Hepler, and I'm the 2018 PASU State President. So the State Conference is a 3-day event where delegates from all across the state and their student councils come, and then we have drama sessions, workshops, banquet, and a dance. Cedar Crest students get out of school at 11 o'clock on Thursday for an early dismissal because our delegates come in around 1. So in that time we get to set up our decorations and everything ready for registration. The decorations are taking over pretty much every hallway. Our theme is movies. It's See You at the Movies, and then movies stands for motivation, organization, volunteerism, integrity, enthusiasm, and spirit. And then each hallway is represented through a movie. We have 18 different committees that are focused on different aspects of the conference, and then like for our decorations committee we do work periods after school, and our sponsorship committee has contacted businesses across the county and everything like that to get donations in, and then pretty much all of our upperclassmen are committee chairs. When the conference is over, student council will be calm again. We have Powder Puff on the 14th, and then we have a break again till King of Hearts, and homeroom will finally be clean. We've had a lot of help from Key Club, NHS, and our faculty volunteers, and we just really want to thank them.
Over 150 schools and 1,000 delegates will be attending the conference.
Student council members have been working on this conference for almost 2 years, and we commend you for your hard work and dedication. And now for your sports news. Sports news. New and renewal applications for winter weight room passes are now available in the high school office. The deadline for requests is Friday, November 16th.
If interested in attending a lifeguarding class, please contact Mr. Seldomridge in the high school athletic training room. We hope to start the class this Saturday, November 10th. This is for those who are new or need recertification.
Anyone interested in trying out for winter cheerleading needs to see Coach Boger in room 202.
Winter sports physicals and Section 7 forms are due Friday in order to participate in a winter sport.
Varsity athletes, if you are interested in ordering a varsity letter jacket, please see Mr. Snyder or Mrs. Jupenlotz in the high school office to pick up an order form. Orders will be accepted until November 19th.
Swimmers, your physical papers are due to Mrs. Jupenlotz in the main office by this Friday. You will not be able to participate in practice until all paperwork is turned in.
And we have a last-minute birthday announcement. Happy birthday, Nana, from your girls, but mostly your wifey. And congratulations to Aragon Niesel for being this month's winner of Most Wings of Praises. Please see Mr. Schaefer in the main office. Everyone keep up the great work and keep showing that Falcon pride.
That's all for your morning announcements today. I'm Nevaeh Whitman.
And I'm Hannah Shirey. Make it a great day, Cedar Crest.